Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. Got a really cool car for you today. It's going to hit our showroom floor. This is a 1970 Mercury Cyclone. It's got a 429 Cobra Jet engine in it with a 4-speed, finished in a beautiful red paint finish. Black bucket console interior. Factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. Really nice clean engine bay. This is a car you don't see very often. It's got the Marti report with it. Really nice interior. Some liberties have been taken. You can see the custom steering wheel, and the center console is also custom, but very well done. The oil pressure gauge is reading, it's just a little slow. Radio does turn on. Doesn't seem like the horn works. So there you have it. There's your 429 engine. Check out those body lines, super straight, super sharp. All the bright work is in excellent shape. Awesome sounding muscle exhaust. So keep an eye on our website. You'll see this one up for sale soon in our inventory. This is a 1970 Mercury Cyclone GT 429 4-speed car. Really nice straight paint and body. This car is running nice and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.